babe. We're going to try and live off our YouTube income at our 6-hour layover in Dubai today. How much did we make yesterday?
$62.80, and I think it's going to be pretty damn difficult. Last time we were here, it cost us like $12 for a coffee, so I don't know what we're going to do.
And we need breakfast, coffee,
We need brekkie.
maybe lunch, we'll see.
So to throw a little spanner in the works, we actually had to catch the train to the next terminal, and it ended up costing $5 Australian in total. A quick and easy ride at the next terminal within 3 minutes, and we're off to find a coffee.
Set us back $18, so $9 each, so we've got about $39 left for lunch. Time, and we have chosen two things that literally took us to the exact dollar that we had. What does Ty's got?
I put in the effort. I got a turkey sandwich. Two-parter. I hope there's a snack on the plane.
I know, and I got a yummy croissant. But anyway, that takes us to our full $62 budget in Dubai, just coffee and just lunch.